Hey, hi friends. In today's video, we learn the importance of adding cards in your video and how it helps you as a channel and content creator, right? So you must have seen while watching videos, you come across this uh, pop-ups in the video, which are primarily redirect you to some link. So over here in the background, there is a video. This is from my another channel, and this pop-up comes over here, and you can see then it redirects me to what the information is about, right? Now, what are these? So these are basically cards, and we learn how to add this card so that you can gain some additional views or maybe some business out of affiliate links over here, right? So if I go to the video, so there is this section called as add cards over here, right? So if I click on this, so you can see I have added around 4 cards. You can add maximum 5 cards for a video. And what are cards? So if I hover around here, you can basically see, since I'm in this part of the video, I'm giving a room tour. I have linked the hotel over here, and this is an affiliate link of booking.com, right? Over here, when I come to this, now this is basically a tour of the museum, Grand Aquarium. And over here I have linked the affiliate link of Viator for this aquarium visit, right? Similarly, next is this Orange Bay Island snorkeling and water sports tour package which I had availed from Viator, and again I have linked the link over here apart from the link in the description. So basically, if someone is going through this and someone has some interest and they want to understand, so this notification, this pop up of the card gives your viewer an immediate insight, and they can just click and do the booking at that moment if they are interested basis your video, right? So you can add cards over here basis this, and in cards you can not only add links but you can add any video from your channel, which basically in some videos you are giving reference to some other videos. It can be a tutorial, a guide, or some reference of place you have visited, right? You can add that link over here basis which you can give a reference, and the pop-up will appear of that video over here, wherein the viewer can click and just get redirected. You can add a playlist, the playlist will appear. A channel, you can also, if you have any other channel you want to cross reference it in your video, you can mention the channel link and any other link like affiliate links for any products which you want to display, or some tour packages for a travel channel, right? So these are the advantages wherein whenever in any section of the video you are seeing peak interest, over there you can add any links, because those would get you clicks and might get you more business out of it, maybe more views, some commissions via some affiliate links, right? You can also add the timestamp, and you can directly hover this, move this around and adjust the time at which the card should appear, or you can enter the time from over here. You can mention a call to action and a teaser text for this link, and it will appear as the way I have shown. You can add multiple cards in a single video. And what are the advantages? Basically, one is that you can get viewers engaged for other videos of your channel which are related to your existing video. You can add affiliate links by which you can gain some commissions out of it, and this will help you get additional revenue, right? And the other idea is the viewers will be engaged more on your channel. That means more watch time and more business for you, right? So if you have any queries pertaining to cards, do drop in comments, and do like the video if you have found it useful. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet.